Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials so you avoid chasing ghosts. Check your connection, use wired or reliable Wi-Fi, and confirm ping is reasonable. Next, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that storage isn't full. Low quota often blocks uploads. Update the Drive app or browser, then restart the device. Once done, force close the app and clear cache. Sign out and sign back in to force a fresh token and immediate sync attempt. Now you tackle the more complex causes. Check who owns the file and whether sharing permissions or domain restrictions block changes. Large files can hit limits. If you use Drive for desktop, open the sync status, pause then resume sync, and reauthorize the app to refresh tokens. Also examine browser extensions or corporate proxies that interfere with traffic. Try an incognito window or a different browser to isolate the issue. These steps reveal whether the problem is local, account, or network related. Finish by repairing the affected items and retrying sync. If a specific file fails, rename it to remove special characters, make a new copy, or convert it to a Drive native format before uploading. If app issues persist, uninstall and reinstall Drive for desktop or clear browser data, then sign in again and validate critical folders. If nothing works, enable Drive activity logs and test the same operation with a separate Google account to pinpoint whether the issue is account level.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.